Hello all, in this video we are going to see how to draw a bump chart in Excel. A bump chart is used to compare two or more dimensions um, against each other, okay, of any kind of measure that we are going to consider. And let me show you the data that I have considered. Companies, 6 companies, and their ranks in 2017, 2018, and 2019. You could have any number of columns here. Select the data, insert. You have to insert a line chart with markers, 2D line with markers. Now you got the line chart with markers, and in the same design tab here you would see switch rows and columns, and you get a bump chart. Okay, and you could change the title of comparison of ranks, something. Okay, so this is so easy to draw a bump chart, and I would like to reiterate, this helps to compare multiple dimensions and also helps in exploring the changes in the changes of a value over a time here. Okay, so the time is nothing but the on the axis. It also helps to can have a multiple dimensions. Okay, and if you want to increase the circle size, you could select these circles and then go to fill. If you select those circles, go to fill, or right click, format data series, go to this fill, marker options, built-in, and then you can increase the size if you want, or if you want you can change the symbol shape also, but I think whatever the default is always good. You could leave, I think it's 5, I guess. Okay, yeah, thank you for watching.